At Draper Tools, we've introduced 2 new log stands to our increasing range of garden power tools and accessories. These transportable log stands are designed to make the process of sawing logs for firewood faster, easier and safer. The heavy-duty log stand can handle logs, branches and timber between 50 and 360 mil in diameter and 6 meters long, with a weight capacity of 300 kilograms. The toothed V-clamp and chain locking system securely holds the timber in place, preventing it from rotating when cutting with chainsaws or bow saws. The 150-kilogram log stand can hold logs up to 4 meters long, with a diameter from 50 to 250 mil. It comes assembled and ready to use straight out of the box, with a simple fold-flat process for easy storage and transportation. These swinging teeth independently and automatically adjust to firmly and securely grip the log, meaning the whole log can be cut without having to move it. Whichever version you choose, make sure the assembly bolts and safety features are properly engaged and that it is positioned on firm, stable ground. And remember, always wear the correct protective clothing whenever you're using a chainsaw. Check out the Draper range of protective clothing. Draper new log stands, the safest way to cut logs.